तो आओ यार, अपने कान में ईयरफोन्स डाल लो। क्या डाल भी लिए? वह तेज हो रहा है, वह तेज हो रहा सालो। खैर शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी।
What is up, YouTube? We are on boys trip.
Hyderabad.
We are traveling to Hyderabad. As we are going to Hyderabad, me, Akhil, Arbaz behind. Show Arbaz.
Yeah.
Take some output from
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना।
him. Arbaz, where are we going?
Hyderabad.
Why? Just to eat Hyderabad biryani. We are traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad. This is called Boys. The Boys.
Funny.
Because we finished our, we had some meeting at the villa plots, villas and everything. And from there we were hungry and I said where to go. Then I thought we'll go somewhere here, have food and then go back home. Then this guy was like, let's go Hyderabad, have Hyderabad biryani. So we are on our way to Hyderabad just to have Hyderabad biryani. We'll reach Hyderabad, we'll have Hyderabad biryani and then return back tomorrow morning and back to work. Stay tuned. I'll show you guys. Like, share and subscribe. This is the part 2 of the previous vlog because last vlog is very much lengthy. So this is your part 2 to the previous vlog. So keep watching. Like, share and subscribe. Till that, enjoy the view. Look at the view here. It's completely
Natural
raining.
stone.
Completely raining. The climate is awesome. And now one of my girlfriend will see this and she'll tell me, you don't take me here. You don't take me in this climate. You only go with your friends. Typical woman. What do you tell Akhil? What do you tell?
Typical woman.
Just joking guys, nothing like that. My girlfriend is really good. I'm the happiest person. I'm the luckiest person to have her in my life.
Which one, bro? Girlfriend?
This depends which one. This guy knows. Bro, don't tell the name, just tell how many girlfriends.
More than 15 to 16.
He thinks I'm Shah Rukh
Oh my God! Wow!
Khan or Salman Khan to maintain 15
One
to 16.
is in HSR Lewat.
No. All those are friends. I have only one girl with me in my life. I'm the luckiest person. I'll be showing her very soon. It's just that I don't want to reveal. Nazar, I believe in Nazar. So I'll be revealing it very soon.
Which type of Nazar, bro?
No. You know Nazar, what is Nazar, right?
Black, white.
All Nazars. And you know the people who do this black magic on me. You remember those people?
Yeah. That is cylinder.
What they are?
Cylinder family.
Cylinder family. That's a long story. So jokes apart, we are on the way to Hyderabad to just have Hyderabad biryani. You guys keep watching. I will show you the vlog, second part, and you guys can comment. Did we do the right decision or a wrong decision? Currently we are on the highway. I don't know why Akhil is not speaking, but Akhil will speak a lot once he does everything. See, he doesn't want to come in. Why Akhil, you don't want to come in the camera?
I'm shy in front of camera.
Are you serious?
You are gay.
I'm always introvert. I'm little
Why are you gay?
backward person.
No, the first vlog which we shot,
Show me your face,
the
bro.
first video which went viral was only because of your horse sound. People liked it and it went viral like 35.
That was the real
40K.
feel when you get into a car that you stopped. That you parked almost 2 hours under the sun, and the air was so hot, and literally you want to shoot that video, and the expression when I get into this car,
Okay.
that was the real feel. It was crazy.
That video went really good viral. You know, people liked. Actually, a lot of my friends and family were telling that video only went with the views because of Akhil, because he made that kind of sound in that video, and people take it in the wrong terms. But I don't know why. But good. So I'll be taking Akhil in the camera. We'll get down somewhere here just to have something like snacks or something like that. because we are more 500 kilometers away from Hyderabad, so it's like showing 6.5 hour journey. So the time we get down to have food somewhere, we'll let you and we'll show you guys. And I'll take Akhil in the camera, I'll take Arbaz in the camera. Currently Akhil is my cameraman, Arbaz is my cameraman. That's it. Thank you so much guys. Keep watching. Till that, like, share and subscribe. मद्रासा है वहाँ जाना चाहिए. So we have just stopped to have something, like to have this fruit here and to have the coconut. So you can see the climate is awesome and Arbaz is there. Hyderabad highway. So we are on the way to Hyderabad, just having this coconut here. Akhil is in the camera. We are there. Kabir Singh.
Yeah.
Kabir Singh?
Show to villain.
Kabir Singh. Shy person he is. So guys, keep watching. We are on the way to Hyderabad. It's good ride. Climate is really good. And after like a year like that, I'm on the long drive. This was not decided, nor we had done anything. We were just like went for our work and we were thinking where to have lunch, and suddenly Arbaz proposed that we'll be going to Hyderabad. So somehow I had no work currently now, so I thought let's go Hyderabad and have Hyderabad biryani and come back. So it will be like a long drive. So we are going on the long drive. This is my black beauty, and these people are over there. Keep watching, stay tuned.
राजा जी अपनी शक्तियों का पूरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, लेकिन लौंडा यहाँ नहीं रुक.
When will we come back? Why are you so shy?
എനിക്ക് നാണം വരും.
उनके न्याय में Actually, Bagepalli from my home.
You said 22 kilometers.
It is almost 49 now.
49 kilometers. And what is the timing showing?
46 minutes.
For that only you should buy one dash cam.
Dash cam doesn't give you 4K view.
You will get one. Now in market everything is there. Where is my fucking rum?
So this is, we have just stopped to have tea over here. Arbaz, क्या बोलता?
क्या बोलना, हैदराबाद ऑन द वे.
हाँ.
अभी 200 किलोमीटर है.
उसके बाद we'll be reaching. Correct. we are on the way to Hyderabad. The highway you guys can see. We have just चाय के लिए रुके हुए हैं. We'll have tea here in Tea Bench. Akhil is somewhere there. He has went for washroom. So we are just 280 kilometers away from Hyderabad. That's it. 280 kilometers away from Hyderabad. And we are fucking enjoying it. Sorry, beep beep kar denge. So this is how it looks. Keep watching. We'll show you more.
A few moments later.
We'll sit here or there? So रात के बज रहे हैं 12:15 and we have come for dinner. अरबाज रात के 12:30 हो गए ऑलमोस्ट. ड्राइव सेफली करना नहीं है. What do you think? It's like 12:30 in the midnight and we are having dinner now.
We expected something else actually.
मामू की बिरयानी.
और बाद में उसको बिरयानी जो भी नहीं मिला. अभी हम ताजी या कोटे ताजी.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
So this video is shot after like a week. We were not able to reach Hyderabad due to some reasons. The first reason is actually we thought we'll not get any work that day. But suddenly we got a call when we were almost reaching Hyderabad. We were like just 100 kilometers away from Hyderabad. That the next morning we were getting the materials like the laminates and the wood, the sheets and everything on the side. So that was the first thing. And second thing was that we had to be on site the next day because the installation of an interior thing was going on. So we thought our workers might take care of that, but those people were like, "Nahi Habib sir, you have to be here." So we were just 100 kilometers away, and while coming we went to the Hoskote Taj. We had biryani there, as you guys saw in the vlog. So it was like we reached, like we touched Hyderabad almost, and we came back, and we also felt really bad that we were not able to go over there. So thank you for watching, and I apologize we were not able to go to Hyderabad and shoot the vlog over there. But as I have promised, if we cross 1000 subscribers, we will be going to Dubai for sure. No matter what work we have, where we have, we will stop the work and we will go for sure. So if you guys have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and do everything, because most of the views are coming from the unsubscribed people itself. So do subscribe and make sure you guys grow this channel so that we give you good content and everything. And Akhil is also here. I was just saying that why we were not able to reach Hyderabad. That is why.
Yeah, that day we have stuck somewhere.
Yeah.
And also late night.
Yes. And thank you for watching guys. Hope you guys like the vlog. See you in the next vlog.
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो. वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए. अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे मुठिया पेलने जाना है. बाय. मोहित